guys, I would like to say hi because today I'm making someone that's to know about purple. Think a really purple lover. Likes purple, likes to draw as well. Yes, we're making Lunar. Lunar. Yes, Lunar. Yes, you get it there, guys. Lunar. I'm making Lunar a beautiful Lunar. Lunar is so beautiful, I think. Do you like Lunar? Lunar is so beautiful. I love Lunar. Lunar is so cute, and I love her. Look at that, it's so beautiful. So beautiful, so beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm making the special someone the best for this. Special someone will be the best for last. What is this? Oh man, it's a lot. I think this is cute. Change it to top. I need to choose a different top. I guess the shorter one, I guess this is better. I like that one. I like this one more. But by God, I would love to see Facebook. Oh man, I just wanted to take it for cute looking. Should I would like to let it go, but I cannot. I'm sorry. I want to let it go. I want to make this birthday special for members. Oh, let's go do it. This birthday, yes, it's Lunar's birthday. Not today, I forgot about Lunar's birthday. Well, we'll start a birthday party. When Luna loves cat, I'll give her cat socks. Socks of a cat. Cat socks. And there's like the face black. And I really love it. And to give Lunar shoes. I gave her the cutest little shoes in the world. You guys never imagine. Look, these are cute. What not really. Really into that. Not that. What else is this? This is cute. I think everybody wear these. No one does wear those. Wait a minute. Oh, I just want someone to earn the funny shoes. I forgot about that. No one did. Get a lighter. Maybe I can a lighter shit. There you go. Colored it. No one's. This is looking cute. This kid is so adorable. See, the outfit's so cute. I know I'm amazing making outfits. Ooh, this hairstyle looks like perfect Lunar feet. But no. I'm gonna do a secret hairstyle. I'm not gonna tell you. What I say, I'm not gonna tell you guys. Anyway, I'm gonna show you the secret hairstyle at the end of the video. Anyways, eyes. And then eyes. This is it. with Lunar's hairstyle. And now let's open up Lunar's presents. Let's open up Lunar's presents. Look, Draco's gonna give his present. Look, Lunar's confused. Lunar's gonna take it. Look, Lunar's gonna grab it. Lunar take. Lunar's opening it up. Lunar open it up. Oh. See, I told you Draco Lunar will love it. You should listen to me. I know Lunar's. Oh look, Lunar's gonna open up her next present. We're gonna place it down in that floor. Whoa. Oh look, you placed it down. Let me help you get you up. There you go, Lunar. I got you. Don't worry. Don't need to be scared. Let me put you down. Oh. Let me reset it. There you go, Lunar. I got you. Let me put you down. There you go, Lunar. Don't be too scared. I got you. Who's gonna take Rainbow's present? Lunar took it. Lunar opened up her present and look. Cupcake and a little teddy. Lunar loves it. Oh, Lunar's gonna eat the cupcake. Why? Why Lunar gonna eat it right now? Lunar, you have a couple of cupcake crumbs. Did you just gonna lick it off? Wow, Lunar's gonna lick it off. Wow. That's what? Here, Lunar, let me help you. Let me take the cupcake away. There you go. I'll put it right here. Right there. Let me take the Lunar teddy too. Where is the Lunar teddy? There it is. Let me grab it. That? There we go. I'll put it right there. Lunar for you. I need to put it. There you go. Look, Lunar's getting the funniest present. Whoa, Lunar just grabbed it. Lunar's opening it. Lunar's got a giant fucking lollipop. Almost I just set a deal for it. Got the giant lollipop. Ain't no way got a giant lollipop. Look at Lunar's face, shocked. Look at everyone except Funny. Funny? Why do you look like that? No, likes him. Look at that. Let me grab the lollipop from you. There you go. I got your giant lollipop. I'll put it away just for emergency because you seem like you don't need it. You don't want to get dirty because you want to eat it. Yes, you do want to eat it. Okay, I'll get it dirty. I'll put it right up there, on top of Funny's. Top of Funny and top of Funny. There we go. There you go. Now goodbye, lollipop. There you go. Now you can drink your boba from Lunar. Look at Lunar drinking her boba. I wish I had boba too. That looks delicious. I want some boba too. Oh, giant sub, I really want that boba. Everyone just wants to drink a boba shock after that big pink lollipop. Drinking her boba happily ever after. Drinking her boba. There's someone last. There's so many presents for Lunar. Someone is for last. Has so many presents. Best for last that you didn't know. I think Lunar loves the boba so much he's drinking it. Lunar, save some for me too. Save some for crew. Save some. Save some. We're gonna have grips everywhere. If you don't save some, I will literally destroy gold's presents. Good. No gold. 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 Oh no, not funny. No fucking gold. No gold, because you didn't save some for me too. I want some. Looks like Draco's getting hungry. No gold presents. No gold. No gold. Oh, good. Oh, no gold. Nope. Goodbye, gold. I'm sorry. This had to happen to you. Now, I'm gonna end this video right now. You don't give me some boba. I'll make part 2. Yes, you're shocked. You don't wanna? Well, it's too late. Goodbye, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like too. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And Lunar doesn't want me to end the video. Okay, fine, Lunar. I'll not end it. Lunar liked it. Now I'm gonna open a gold present. Let me see what's in the small bag. Ugh, what is this? Lunar, here's this. This is a thing in there. Let me see what's in the second bag. What is this? Flowers? Okay, here we go, Lunar. And let me see some more things. Let me see what's in there. Whoa, what is this? Okay, now let me see what's the rest of the stuff. Nothing else, just nothing else. Oh, wait, I see something in Funny's hand. What is that, Funny? You did not. What is that, Funny? What is that? Funny! What the hell was this? Let me just fix the ink a little bit. This is Lunar's phone. I get it's Lunar's phone, but why is it so big? I'm gonna make it smaller. Okay. This is new. This is iPhone 50. It is iPhone 50. iPhone 50? What? How did you get that? Something so expensive, buddy? Oh, I'm shocked. Anyways, let's check out your... Let me see. But oh, that's more. Oh, look, little game next to it. Now let me see what else. Go grab. Brought a bird pizza. No, it's not bird. It's crispy. I don't care. Let me see what else brought. For Lunar's birthday. What is this? Flowers. Flowers. That's beautiful, I guess. Gold said you have to try the pizza. Lunar ate it, Gold. He said he loved it. Gold said he'll make you pizza every single day, Lunar. Lunar said you have to, Gold. It's okay. I don't need to eat pizza every single day. Now, goodbye.